welcome back to our channel. It is coming up to the most wonderful time of the year, which is also the busiest time of the year. So for us here in Australia, not only are we coming into Christmas, but we are also ending our school year and getting ready for our summer break. So I have all of those end of school year activities, and I want to get as much prepared in advance for both Christmas and our summer break. We are expecting interstate visitors, of which I am so excited about. It has been way too long since our borders have been open. So I am trying to do as much as possible to be prepared for that busy season. So if you are like me and have a season ahead of you that is going to be full of fun and busyness, and you want to get ahead of the game, come with me and I'll show you how I get it done. Okay guys, I have my list here of what I would like to achieve today. As you can see behind me, I have done my regular daily cleaning tasks. The kitchen's clean, things are fairly stable, but I have some deep cleaning jobs that I would really like to get done, particularly because we have guests coming to stay. We are going to have a lot of people here over the next couple of weeks, and if I can just get in and get some of those bigger jobs done, that means I can just upkeep it in those weeks to come. So let's get cracking on this list. I'm going to walk you through exactly why I do it, how I do it, and what you guys can do coming into this Christmas season to make it way less stressful. I am just getting started in our main bathroom, and I wanted to give this bathroom a really good deep clean because this is the bathroom that our guests use, and I also use some different strategies when I have guests coming. Instead of putting everything away in the cupboards, which is how my minimalist heart loves it, I tend to leave some things out just so that it's easy for guests to find, and I can make sure that everything is clean, tidy, and ready to be used.
Drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful.
My go-to multi-purpose bathroom cleaner is a cream cleanser. I love that it is slightly abrasive, so it picks up any of that soap scum and it just leaves things feeling super clean at the end.
Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk.
I have a love-hate relationship with glass shower screens. Of course, I love how clear it looks, and it's great if you have a small bathroom like ours because it makes it feel more open. But I do find that they are a lot of work to keep clean, and I use that same cream cleanser to clean off all of the soap scum off my glass shower doors first, and then I go back over it with a glass cleaning cloth, and I just find this leaves a really great streak-free shine, as well as making sure all of that soap scum and grime is being lifted off the glass. If you are a parent of kids who enjoy to have a really long showers, I highly recommend this waterproof shower timer I got for our shower. It has been a game changer with the kids. Just set it for however long they're going to have a shower for, and it's a great reminder for them to get out once they're finished.
So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents.
Now I'm just moving on to our media room, and to be honest guys, this room stays fairly clean, but I do like to give it a deep clean for a few reasons. One being that there might be friends and family who are sleeping down here over the holiday season, but also this is where our front door opens into. So I always just like it to feel nice and fresh and clean as people come into our house. It's been a while since I included this room on a clean with me, so let me know down in those comments what you think of my new picture on the wall. It is a top-down view of Manhattan and I just love it.
And the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself.
I don't know about you guys, but I have a really bad habit for just chucking stuff into the top of my closet. And at the moment, I have a lot of different Christmas presents and I end up forgetting what I've bought and for who. So coming into this Christmas season, I always add a little note on my to-do list to just go through what I've already bought. I've got some advent calendars and some different stocking stuffer gifts, especially for my little nieces. So I'm just checking over all the things I've bought so it's fresh in my memory. I'm also collating all the presents from all over the house so that when it comes time to wrap, they're all in one place.
First for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one.
Something that is super easy to forget is to go through your fridge, freezer and pantry and just give them a good clear out and clean up before you start welcoming all that lovely holiday food. And so I'm just going through, it's a great way of just stock taking what you've already got, making a mental note of those things that you need and making space for that extra food that we're going to be welcoming in as we welcome guests.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
As I'm organizing my fridge and freezer, I'm also thinking about how I can make it easier for anyone else to find what they need in our fridge. Like if my sisters are here, that all the different things are collated together. So if they're looking for something, it should be easy to find.
Find the time to sleep. Yeah, spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite.
Okay guys, it is the next day, hence the different change of clothes. Please excuse my crazy hair. It has been raining for like 5 days straight, I think, and if you have curly hair, you know the struggle is real. But I am in my garage and it is a hot mess. Like, it is crazy town in here, but that is okay. We're going to tackle it. I've got some new products to put in to tidy this whole thing up. This is a great time for me to tackle this project because when my kids finish school next week, I put away all of their school stuff over the summer holidays. So all of their school bags, school uniforms, anything to do with school, I put it up in the top of their closet till we go back to school. So this will make this area a whole heap clearer, which is great because I know over the summer break, we are going to be in and out. It's all going to be happening. The other thing is that in my wisdom, I ordered my kids new beds that are going to arrive a few days before everybody else arrives at my house. So I know that I won't be able to resist and I want to change all the things. So I want to have this area cleared out, cleaned up, and organized so that when all the other craziness happens, I'm going to be in a really good place. So if your garage looks like a crazy mess like mine does today, I'm right here with you. The other area that this might be like for you is if you have an entryway into your house or a mudroom. This area in my garage is the same place. So it's where we come in, it's where we drop our shoes and bags and all the things. So I'm gonna get cleaning and I'm gonna get organizing. We're gonna get all of this tidied up, reset, so that when all the things are happening, everything will be calm, cool, and collected.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times.
I am just swapping out some of these fabric boxes for some different plastic boxes that are going to be a little bit easier to clean. I don't know about you guys, but socks and shoes just seem to multiply in our house. Kids who are growing out of shoes all the time or losing one shoe, and so you only end up with one instead of a pair. So this is a constant area where I am needing to go back to check what we need, check what needs to go, and fill in any blanks as we need to. So if this is you, if you feel like you are constantly cleaning your entryway, I think that is 100% okay, because this is an area that lots of people are using. It's also a space that is constantly changing as your kids change, as the seasons change. So just because you're needing to go over an area lots of times doesn't mean you're doing anything wrong. It just means that it's doing a lot of different jobs and a lot of different people are touching it.
Chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year
when you are deciding what jobs you should get done pre-Christmas and what is okay to leave closer to when your guests are arriving, I always just think of it like, where are the spaces they are going to see almost immediately, and where are those spaces where things fall over the fastest? So my closet, our entryway, and those bathrooms are some of the places that I know fall apart really quickly, and so those are the things that I'm going to tackle so that when it gets closer to Christmas, I'm just doing that regular upkeep and I don't have to worry about deep cleaning.